Okay, here we are in part 2 of my 3D printed key fobs videos, and this time I'm going to go for this one here. So I'm going to move these off to the side again, and then I am going to drag on a roof shape, which I'm going to flick forward. Remember, when we are rotating things inside, it will move in 22.5 degree chunks. Outside, you've got complete control. I'm quite happy to go in 90 degrees. And then you'll see part of it is now underneath the work plane. I press D to bring it up to the top. And then I'm going to drag it out a bit. I'm going to make it about 2 millimeters thick. And see. Oh, there we go. And maybe a little bit more narrow. Okay, so now I'm going to use the old duplicate, and I'm going to tap it to the right a few times, down a few times, and then I'm going to move it 22.5 degrees, and then I'm going to hit my duplicate button. So it gives me a bunch of nice spiky lines like that, and then I'm simply going to select this, I'm going to group it, and then I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to hold down the shift key, press the right arrow twice to move it along 20 millimeters, and then I am going to select both of them. I'm going to duplicate them. I'm going to use the right arrow key to shift them along, and then I might just press duplicate one more time, and that should be a lovely background for one of my key fobs. So I'm going to select it all. I'm going to group it together, and then I'm going to colour it in blue, and let's have a quick look at it. Yep. So now I'm going to use some text which I converted into an SVG. So I'm going to import this text in. I'm going to go for the SVG version of this file here, and it's pretty big, so I'm going to say, let's start off with 100. Import. Okay, and again I'm going to use my work plane tool. I'm going to press D to make sure that it's sitting here perfectly. I'm going to change the height of my text to 2, and then I'm going to reset my work plane. I'm going to grab a cylinder hole, holding the shift key. I'm going to resize it down to 10 millimeters. I'm going to drag it on here. I'm going to select both of these. I'm going to use the align tool, and then I'm going to group it to make my hole. And again, when I'm going to export these STLs, I'm going to do them one at a time. So I'm going to export background, and then separately the text, again so that I can work with these independently in Cura.